Aloha viewers, first of all we thank you for the warm reception of our previous video. In this video, I'll be sharing our experience of adventures, what we did in Manali. Our next day started with the realization of the fact that it is much easier to get up early in the morning when you are on some trip compared to a typical office day even after multiple alarms. So we started our day 2 with a light breakfast. Then it was time for some adventure. In Manali, paragliding is the pinnacle of adventure sports. There are many jumping spots in Manali. We chose this one spot called Dobhi. It was a bright and sunny day with the clear skies and excellent visibility. And these conditions are perfect for paragliding. It took almost 45 minutes from Span Resort to reach the jumping spot. This is the very spot which was made famous by the viral Paragliding Man video. Waiting for the gush of wind with the glider unfurl on the ground is the moment when the thrill grips you. When you run towards the end of cliff, your instincts battle the thrill, but then the adrenaline rush overcomes the fear, and the moment your feet lift off the ground, you will be in pure bliss. The background of snow-capped Himalayas, the lush green valleys, the pine and deodar canopy and the meandering Mees river at the bottom, gushing its way across the pebbles. The heavenly view imprints the unforgettable amazing memory in your mind, and you feel excited and calm at the same time. But as it's known, those born without wings cannot fly for long. Our glide was also reaching its touchdown, and despite my husband wishing that such ride should last at least for an hour, but it lasted about 9 minutes. The flying time in paragliding is largely governed by wind conditions. After landing, there is something which we highly recommend if you chose Dobhi paragliding site like us. Post landing, after you have collected your video from the operator, just say no to the pickup, which is included in the total cost of paragliding package. Instead, choose to sit back beside the river and gaze upon the beautiful view in front of you. Once you have assimilated the heavenly view to your heart's content, try to cross the stream on foot to get on the city side. After paragliding, we also inquired about river rafting but decided not to do it as we found it extremely overpriced. And once you have relished the Rishikesh river rafting, the same here is not worth the money. So we returned to our resort for a quick bite, and by 1:30 pm we got ready for further exploring. This time, we took Old Manali Highway towards a gorgeous waterfall called Sajla waterfall. Along the way, we came across the beautiful apple orchards. Visiting one such orchard is highly recommended if you are here in harvesting season, which is August to September. Sajla waterfall is about 35 to 40-minute drive from Naggar. The waterfall is 10-minute walk from the main road, just after you cross a narrow bridge. The walk to Sajla waterfall was small but amazingly beautiful. We even came across a swarm of butterflies along the path. Sajla is the most beautiful waterfall I have ever seen. Nestled charmingly amidst woods and rock, the crystal clear water of Sajla is truly bewitching. We spent about 1.5 hours here to create some beautiful memories. While visiting Himachal or Uttarakhand, you can find tea and Maggi shops almost anywhere. There is one near Sajla as well. While returning from the Sajla waterfall, my husband wanted little more of trekking. We stopped near this hill with relatively gentle slope to quench our thirst for trekking. Well, climbing up is not as easy as it seems. And also, you should not go to deserted places as wild animals are not rare sightings here. So while we were still in the earshot of the road, we decided to drop our idea for trekking. Although the experience was amazing and we loved it being lost in the nature together. We had a beautiful day. Now the time of sunset was nearing, so we wanted to save some daylight for the resort as well. While visiting the paradises like Manali, I think one should not just hurry across some checklist of places to visit. Rather, one should relax and enjoy what lies before you. Because this is Manali, where the beauty is blooming around every corner.